A separatist militant group, Baloch Liberation Army, claimed responsibility for hijacking a train in southwestern Pakistan, taking hostages and threatening to kill them. But what is this Baloch Liberation Army and what are its objectives? Let's find out the answers to these questions. I am Shivangi and you're watching India TV. The Baloch Liberation Army is the strongest of a number of insurgent groups long operating in the area bordering Afghanistan and Iran, which is a mineral-rich region that is home to Beijing's investment in Gwadar deep water port and other projects. The primary goal of the BLA is to achieve independence for Balochistan, which is a resource-rich province in southwestern Pakistan. The group claims that the government exploits the region's resources without benefiting the local people of the area. The Baloch Liberation Army also demands local control over Balochistan's vast gas and mineral reserves. In recent months, the BLA has escalated its attacks, using new tactics to cause greater casualties and target Pakistan's military. A significant attack occurred in 2022 when the group stormed army and navy bases. Additionally, the BLA has used female suicide bombers targeting Chinese nationals and infrastructure. The BLA's primary targets include infrastructure and security forces in Balochistan, but they have also carried out attacks in other regions, notably Karachi. The group particularly targets Chinese interests, including the strategic Gwadar port, accusing China of exploiting Balochistan's resources to benefit Pakistan. Now, you also must know the strategic importance of Balochistan. Well, this area is vital to China's $65 billion investment in the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, which is a key part of China's Belt and Road Initiative. The province is home to significant mining projects, including the world-renowned Reko Diq gold and copper mine run by Barrick Gold. The province's large coastline, close to the vital Strait of Hormuz oil shipping lane, adds to its geopolitical significance. Now, as the group targets both Pakistani military forces and Chinese investments, the geopolitical significance of Balochistan continues to rise. However, with an unstable security environment and ongoing tensions with neighboring countries, the future of the region remains uncertain. Were you aware of this information or not? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.